Visit India, New Delhi. You will find love here.
You find love, yeah?
Love.
Okay, anything?
Okay, bye.
Both love and friendship.
Love and
Thanks so much, guys. Okay,
Thank you,
enjoy New
thank
Delhi.
you.
Thanks so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Thank you. It's on, yeah? Okay. Already stick here? Okay. If you want to put it inside here. Okay, guys. Okay. So, who would like to be in the interview? All of you? You guys? You don't? You too? Okay.
We'll stand here.
Okay. Okay, so you too?
Just stand here.
Okay, then you can pass the mic. If I ask a question and if you want to answer it, okay?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm very happy to be here in this beautiful city, New Delhi. Okay, so what is your name?
Arav Mangla.
Aramila. If you want to, yeah?
Ruchi Garg.
Okay, yeah?
Neha Mangla.
Okay,
Divya.
Sudhir.
okay.
Riddhi.
Okay, guys, are you from New Delhi?
Yes.
All of you, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, what do you like the most from this city and why?
Everything.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Everything.
Everything. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Like what? Everything?
Atmosphere.
Market.
Yes. Market.
Market.
Yes. Everything. Huh?
Food.
Cuisine. Yes. Street food. Delhi street food is best.
The best dish that you have here in New Delhi.
Everything. You. Huh? Nahi, huh?
Waterfalls.
You call Golgappa. Water balls.
What is that? What can we find there?
Anywhere in Delhi you can find it in any street food vendor. Chole bhature. Yes. Best Delhi.
Okay, so cuisine, it's one of the things that you recommend.
Yes. In Delhi.
Okay.
Then rabri that
Yeah,
we
go
eat.
Yes, sister. Talk.
Go ahead, yeah.
Paratha gullies. There is a rabri shop. There is a very delicious and tasty rabri.
Okay. Cool. Okay, guys, and now in New Delhi, well, let's say Indians in general, what makes Indian culture beautiful, specific, and unique? Indian culture.
Indian culture is very beautiful and
Make it.
make it beautiful.
Together, joint families.
Joint family, culture, rituals.
Okay. What do you do when you come together, when the family joins? Like,
We eat together, celebrate together. We used to burn crackers and have dance together, party whole night like that.
what kind of rituals do you have? Anyone? Rituals?
Kind of havans
Havan.
and many more such
We
as
worship
at
fire. We worship fires. We have a
many other kind of
pots like such as in there are firewoods.
Kind of bonfire things we are doing a lot in together, and we spend every night together and discuss our whole day with each other. Yeah.
So, why the fire? For us that we come from Europe, we don't know. So, why do you worship the fire? What is the story behind that?
Fire symbolizes purity.
Pure, yeah? Okay. So, you gather together, you do some rituals, and after that? What else?
Having food
Okay.
together. We having food together, and
play together. We pass our whole time with everyone in our family.
Do you make like jokes when you come together?
making roast to each other at times. Yeah, we are enjoying a lot.
Can you tell us a joke now that...
No, we are just like I am quite chubby. Then everyone's fun of me sometimes, but it's not body shaming. It's not body shaming. Yes, not body shaming, but it's just for fun, roasting kind of things.
Okay, very good. And what traditions do you like the most from Indian cultures or from New Delhi? What tradition?
We are celebrating Diwali. I like most Hindu tradition. In Hindu tradition, we like Diwali most because we go some houses of our relatives and distributing gifts, exchange gifts, sweets, and crackers, worship, lots of things.
What kind of gifts do you give to each other?
Sweets, mainly sweets or dry fruits. Dry fruits main.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. You said
No, dry fruits are because of it makes our body healthy, kind.
Okay, thanks so much. Now, an advice for those who like to visit New Delhi.
If you want to go to eat some delicious food, you have in Chandni Chowk. You can go in every street. There is a famous shop everywhere in Diwali. Yeah, in Diwali. Yeah.
Okay, and let's see, maybe the last questions. What makes India one of the best countries in the world? It's a good one.
Maybe we live with our parents. That is the most important and beautiful thing in Delhi. Yeah, we live together with our family. Yes, I have a joint family and we live 14 people in one house. There is a very beautiful thing.
And how do you manage it? Because in Europe people seek for the opposite, to be alone and so on, not with family. So how do you manage to live like beautifully and in peace all together?
First of all, you have to ignore some things. Just ignore, not take it as personal, and enjoy whatever it is. Because family have a very special and bond we need sometimes. Initial, like if it comes to me, my brother-in-law's kids is like my kids only. So we are enjoying together, not take like jealous feeling to each other. Yeah.
Okay. Very good. And the last thing, I promise a message for those who are going to watch this video. You can pass the mic from each other. A message.
A message.
Thank you. Thank you for great time. Thank you.
Thanks, and please visit Delhi. This is a very beautiful place to visit and eat more and more delicious food.
Thank you, and visit the Delhi and to be free and be kind of familiar with everyone.